go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. Dealing the AB brain, and this be what Matakam. Charlie, I make sad. It be certain power with Charlie mood with a day inside. This one, and yet dead. We are saying the cry, and yet dead. So you did this word insider, where you now you make up your mind, say, you dear, you do you know go help people, you dear, you do you know go like listen to advice, then humble yourself. I don't know what you now the wrong word, they wrong you. The matter where it can be say, 8 kiddies way them be primary school students, where them go school say they go learn. Them a puppy then a mommy give them money, say make them go school, then go learn, then make them get something better, come them lives inside me. They go school, no Charlie. It be yawati way happen. Be yawati way happen. And robbers where them did. Where them no they make them a mind say they go kill. Then the what? Then go steal no. Then go there where them go kill these kiddies. Where 12 where them did the school inside no. They injure them. The way they do them, they torture them. It no be easy. The way blood they flow. You spy the video. Spy the video. You see what? You see what he did the video inside. Blood pan way it ooze out like water way it turn go someplace. You know be easy. Small kiddies so. Small kiddies pan then be what? Then be harmless. The kiddies in the crowd them go take fight back. If you book them pepper where it did them a front way then they what? Then they learn. Where see the something way what it happened. If you did this word inside, as I talked earlier on, if you know they see yourself, if you know they do yourself, say you be superior past every bro for this word inside. Because this one, we not go take go anywhere. If you go take go somewhere, crown that place you don't know there. So if you humble yourself, if you some bro will go hold your hand, go that place, where them die, just like that. Them die you. Right now, them are more mean way than they work. Them they work we say then they help these kids make them get better than bright future. Right now, what they go do plan them lives. You go market span, we market women they sell people with them they street stop where they hustle say they go take care of them kids but that might not be easy. It not be easy. People they suffer for street top. Some people are responsible to the extent say if the kid no chopper, no more yam say because they know say the kid way take come the world inside no. It be in responsibility say if I take care of the kid to a level where he now to the kid no go fit help him or herself. We'll see what it happen. Thieves they right now. He say what it come where it lead to that thing we see. One, it be peer pressure, where it the water boys, where it be lack of parental care, where it sound be what greediness. If you be parent, where you dey, where you not make your eye go your kid stopper, where you, like everything where the kid they do be you just for the kid so. If for tear the kid, you go some houses inside that. Kidi go fit go comot them go roam then come check like he be in that way they buy food give himself make it chop then till no. He go fit go roam he come outside he mommy then puppy no know talk anything. The son go give him food make it chop make it bed. Them there I will say them dey modern world inside. Modern world where they live to armed robbery no armed robbery go street top go see kwabrane pan where he dey where robbery being target. Where greediness, what they no go fit afford. They won't try they afford that thing. They don't get that money, they don't get that income. They go do what say some bro way he bread where you get, where you sacrifice in time, get that thing. They will just take waste and means. Take that thing for the world, the person here. And I remember sometime my nigga be it's like now we do school. When my nigga need the can lectures, where they hold laptop. The laptop where you hold now, TikTok boy yo. Some rubber we can crush them. The rubber can crush them. Another rubber need the old fork. But the way the nigga not talk, when he collide the laptop, you know, for nigga man in hand, no, you know, be easy. Nigga man can't pan, nigga man TikTok man pan. He can't class, no nigga man they cry. He say, hey Charlie, you know, be easy. They went to let them do me for road top. Hey, nigga man the whole fuck when we what? We laugh. So parents, make your eye go your kiddies them at top. Wow. You know, be any kiddie be away for make your kiddie play plus them. Because some kiddies, you know, that my parents, you know, they reject them because them now they don't know what then they do plus them lives. So what they will do give the kiddies. So they reject the kiddies. You go street top, Kubono boys they grow. Lack of what? Parental care way they go on. So you be mother, you be father, for I need to form Shawabani ye. Shana ma when you call ban, man, you say be no bu any idea. Eguso, or better not come for no one more baby real. No we cool then eguso. When my brothers and my sisters make you no make erecting day or item. Remember when you blow be ideal. Because you don't know where some means them, the person will go get that thing. Because people they do thing people they do thing wow. I know some nigga man be so of money you do like this and now blood will come off for your nose. So of money. Money be the root of evil. But if you know what you want to do, you know your track, you get purpose for this life inside. God now will bring riches, come your life what inside. This be the matter. If you go feel leave your comment, for the what the comment box inside. If you here, then you like and share one of our videos, especially this video. Share, make people hear, make them know what they happen. Because it be what? It be something where it be on what? I don't know what I will talk again. I don't know what I will talk again, Charlie. Prayer always do what? Work. Pow!
Too much GH. Me did I say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me did the Isaac Jumpo. We between family the great tempo. Bring. One man come when you share too much GH. Too much GH. More too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura